top three things, starting with the U.S. dollar. The U.S. dollar is up hard against the yen last week with the QE measures on Friday from the BOJ. It was up 4.7% last week, and looks like it's bouncing again pretty hard this morning. So it's up to at the closing it up close to 112 last Friday. We're now this morning at 113.74. Moving on here to oil, WTI was down this morning about 60 basis points, but now it's bouncing. It's up 20 basis points. It seems to be finding a pretty hard level under $80. There's a lot of buying being triggered at 80, 70, 80, 80 in WTI, and it reached close to that level this morning. It's now bouncing, and oil doesn't like the down yen at all. This big correlation trade and big macro with the dollar against things like oil and gold is continuing to play out. There's a lot of pressure from the supply and demand standpoint. A lot of pressure on oil. I mean, OPEC, now OPEC in October pumped the most oil since August 2013, led by all the biggest players: Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Libya. And then U.S. crude output rose another 40 basis points to 8.97 million barrels a day for the week ending October 24th. So there's going to continue to be tons of supply coming on, which is going to should put a lot of pressure on oil prices. So we'll continue to watch that play out. And moving on to Russia, one of our preferred country shorts in oil deflation is down another 80 basis points this morning and down over 20% year to date, down 22%. We're doing a lot of work on whether or not Japan and Europe are opting to devalue will result in a Russian economic collapse. That's something we're continuing to watch. We'll be doing some work on that end, and we'll have some stuff out here shortly.